Uber stock was down almost 5% on Thursday, May 29th, on developments that Tesla is on schedule to start its self-driving testing in Texas in June. So I wanted to talk about those details, what it could mean for Uber stock investors. And of course, I've had Uber rated as the best stock to buy in 2025. I own Uber stock myself. And so, what am I doing here on the back of this news? I'll talk about that. And I'll talk about how I think it would be a good way to play this news of Tesla starting the driving in the roads, self-driving on roads, an interesting strategy, how to respond to the developments. Right. So the news was that Tesla plans to start operating a fleet of 10 to 20 full self-driving Model Y vehicles on Austin's public streets in mid-June, following on-road tests this week without a driver or onboard engineer. And as a result of that news, Uber and Lyft shares were down. More specifically, Uber was down over 4.6%, reflecting investor concerns about how Uber's business can survive if Tesla does actually develop self-driving cars. Still, Uber has been building its own autonomous network through partnerships with Google's Waymo in Austin and Atlanta, with Pony AI, with Momenta, May Mobility, which is set to launch on the Uber platform in Arlington, Texas, and a separate agreement with WeRide, which aims to roll out driverless vehicles across 17 U.S. cities over the next 5 years. Already, Uber is generating revenue from driverless car technology, while Tesla is still planning to do testing on the roads. So, what does this mean for Uber stock investors? Well, let me remind everyone of my proprietary discounted cash flow valuation for Uber stock, which has the intrinsic value of this company at $109 a share. I just updated this DCF today. The current market price is $84.30, suggesting a roughly 30% upside here. I ranked Uber as the top rated stock to buy. And of course, I did this in early January. January 1st, I believe I published that video ranking Uber as the best stock to buy in 2025. And of course, it's performed really, really well. I'm happy about that. I own Uber shares myself, and I've benefited from the stock price appreciation. Click the link below to watch the full video.